Hello, all my glam gods and goddesses. It's Glam God MUA, and I'm back today with my 500 subscriber giveaway. I just want to thank every last one of my supporters who have been supporting me from day one, because I do not post frequently, but I'm getting better and getting back into the spin of things because I definitely do enjoy making content. And this is like my first milestone, so I definitely wanted to give back for that. So I'll be giving away, ta-da! I will be giving away a Anastasia Beverly Hills Jackie Aina palette. I will be sending one of my awesome subscribers this amazing palette. Let's get down to the rules of the giveaway. So there are 3 things you definitely need to do. 1, you need to make sure you are subscribed to my YouTube channel. 2, you will follow me on Instagram at GlamGuyMUA. And 3, you must be following me on Twitter at GlamGuyMUA. Then after that, all you have to do is place a comment down below in my comment section with your Instagram name and tell me one thing. Why do you want this palette? And as simple as that. Also, this would have been another good thing to mention, honey. The winner will be chosen September 12th. And again, I appreciate everybody who has subscribed to my channel over the years, who have liked my videos, commented, just anything. Anybody who has supported me in any kind of way, I appreciate you, and I can't wait to choose a winner. I love all you guys. Thank you so much for supporting me. You're the best.